Hi, if you're here to see my third Wildflower Cases unboxing video, just keep on watching. Dreams can last forever. Thank you so much for coming back to another one of my Wildflower unboxing videos. I'm so excited that you guys are loving the ones that I've put out so far. I just wanted to say one thing. I am doing a giveaway. I'm so excited about the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 5 Wildflower gift cards to 5 different individuals wherever Wildflower can be shipped to, and the gift cards will be delivered to you guys by way of email as per Wildflower's website. That's how gift cards get delivered. So I'm very excited. All you guys need to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment telling me what kind of videos you want to see from me next that are not Wildflower related, because unfortunately not all of my videos can be just Wildflower videos strictly. I'm doing this giveaway not only to give back to you guys, which is really awesome, but to incentivize you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in my content. Sometimes I go months without realizing that I'm subscribed to somebody's channel. I will watch every single one of their videos and forget that I'm not subscribed to their channel, or for whatever reason I thought I did and I'm not. So I'm very much trying to grow my YouTube channel, as you guys know. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel for that to happen. I'm paying for this entire giveaway all by myself. Wildflower is not involved in this giveaway in any way, shape, or form. This is just something I'm doing because I know you guys love Wildflower Cases. That's why a lot of you guys come to my videos thus far. The giveaway will be over once 2,500 of you have subscribed to my channel. Way more of you guys than that watch my Wildflower videos, so I know there must be other videos that you guys want to see from me, so please let me know. The giveaway will be over at that point and I'll go ahead and send those gift cards. I'm really excited for that. Of course, when the giveaway is over, I just need the winners to confirm with me that they received the gift cards, and I would love to hear what you guys are going to purchase with your $25 gift cards on Wildflower's website. I love talking to you guys about Wildflower, but again, there has to be other topics that you guys want to hear me talk about. So I'm an open book, just ask me. My goal here on YouTube is to do what I'm enjoying doing so much, which is creating videos for you guys, and I'm manifesting doing so full time, hopefully in the year 2021. I work as a waitress in New York City. There is not a lot of waitress work due to the pandemic, and even before then it was like a little iffy. So I'm just loving making videos for you guys so much, and I would love to be able to do this full time, but to do so I need subscribers, and that's where you guys come in. So let's get this giveaway started. It ends whenever I surpass 2,500 subscribers here on YouTube, which could take a day, it could take a week, it could take a month, it could take 2 months, depending on how fast you guys subscribe to me and how fast you guys leave me a comment telling me what other videos you want to see from me. If you're under the age of 18, I'm just gonna need your parent or guardian's permission. To get their permission, just show them this video. Why wouldn't they let you subscribe to this face? They just got their permission and it should be all good if you're under 18. Alright, let's see. Ooh, okay, wow, okay, I think that's the mirror case. Wow. And it came with stickers this time, y'all. Okay. Wow. Ah! Okay, this is sick. Look at that reflection. It's so clear. Wow. You can see me.
All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. I don't see.
Trying not to get fingerprints on the mirror case. Only I would get a mirror case and not want to get fingerprints on it. How stinking cool is this mirror case? I'm getting so tripped out looking at my reflection over here. This is wild, you guys. This is so weird, just looking at my reflection like this. Okay, let me stop. I'm loving this mirror case way more than I thought I would. I was taking a little bit of a chance on this one, but I'm so glad I got it. This would be so good to do your mascara, to do your lipstick, and actually you can do your entire face of makeup with this on, guys. It's not a proper glass, to be honest with you, so it's gonna give you a little bit of that funhouse effect, but so little of it. It's only causing the slightest amount of distortion, and it's really meant to be reflective. It's not meant to be a perfect mirror. It can't be a mirror because can you imagine you dropped your phone and you had an actual mirror on the back of your phone? That would be so crazy unsafe. So this is a safe way to go about getting that mirror type reflection, and it is so nice and it's so shiny and it's really functional. This is such a good idea. I'm so glad I got this, and I also got it for the days where I just can't pick a case because I have so many great options now with all of the Wildflower ones I have. You know when you have too much to choose from, so you can't choose anything? This is kind of what you do. You just go with the plain one. That's kind of what I did with this. This is the one that's going to go with absolutely everything, and also this is going to be clutch on nights out. When you're on the beach, you need to know. So nice, so nice, and it looks so fancy. This honestly looks really fancy. This is the stickers that it came with. Alright, so we have the lavender flames, and then we have Wildflower with the hearts. So cute. I wasn't expecting like a mirror sticker. That I don't even know how they would go about doing that, so I'm fine with these. These are cute. Alright, so next we must have the Safari Babies. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. So cute. That is so stinking cute. Oh my god. This might be the one that matches the phone the absolute best because the background, the cream background, is basically the same color as my gold iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is such a good neutral case. We've got browns, we've got greens, we've got black, white, and cream. I mean, this case has it all. It's got neutrals and it's got adorable baby animals. What more can you want in a case? I went back and forth on whether I should have this case, and I ultimately decided with yes. It matches perfectly with the neutral color scheme of my apartment, especially my walls and my decorative items. But most importantly, these are baby animals and they remind me a lot of my baby animal. Alright guys, so in honor of my baby animal, I had to have this case. I mean, this is some serious animal love we have going on here. This is Gigolo. He's my Yorkshire Terrier. He is a full-grown man, but everyone thinks he's a baby, and he acts like a baby. You can't be an animal parent and not get this case. I mean, this is his case. That's your case, right? That's his case, and it even matches his coat, matches his hair perfectly. Yes. Yes, you want to say hello to all of our subscribers? So yes, this is the Safari Baby case, and he is basically like a safari baby even though he's domesticated. He acts like a wild animal and a wild man. That's how we explain this hair. Freezing outside, so no haircuts for this guy. He needs all the hair he has on his body. One of my subscribers gave me the cutest idea to go on Pinterest and find screensavers there for a wider array of choices. I don't know why I didn't think of that first. Thank you for that. I took your advice, and this is the one that I have for the Safari Babies case. I just typed in aesthetic flowers. These are the stickers that the Safari Baby case came with. They're very cute. The Dalmatian with the orange butterfly, and then the crazy checkers. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. I'm so crazy about my new cases. If you haven't seen either of my previous Wildflower Cases unboxing videos, go ahead and check those out. And if you have, why don't you stick around and go ahead and check out another one of my videos. I absolutely cannot wait to see all of your giveaway entries. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.